Hello and welcome to our tutorial to learn how to bind the edges of an open-ended zip. If your single jersey is a bit rolly, use some spray starch, spraying liberally all over before pressing it nice and flat. Take your single jersey fabric strip and place it 1 centimetre down from the end of your zip, aligning it with the edge of the zip tape. Pop a few pins in to hold it in place. Next, aligning the edge of the foot with the edge of the tape, backstitch, and then using a straight stitch, stitch all the way along the edge to hold the binding in place. You're stitching on the top side of the zip for this stage. When you reach the zip pull, make sure that you lift up your presser foot as high as it will possibly go. You'll find that your presser foot will raise higher than you initially think. Carry on stitching, keeping the edge of the foot aligned with the fabric. You might find the fabric stretches a little bit, but using a long straight stitch can stop this from happening so much. And that's step 1 done. Next, trim the top of the tape to about 1 centimetre from the top end of the zip. Turn the raw edge in and clip it in place. Next, fold over the tape to completely cover the edge of the zip tape. Use clips to hold the binding in place all the way along the length of the zip. And then it's off to the sewing machine. So you're going to be sewing along the edge that you've just stitched onto the zip tape. So you want to be positioning your stitches fairly close to where the binding strip joins the zip tape. Again, as you get to your zip pull, just wiggle that through and out of the way. And carry on stitching all the way down to the end, removing the fabric clips as you go. position the bound zip top edge so that it just covers your overlocking stitching at the neckline seam. And then stitching on the front of the garment, top stitch all the way along the opening edge, stitching about 1.5 centimeters away from the zip teeth. And voila, isn't it gorgeous? For loads more tips and tutorials, you can check out all of our videos on our Crafty Sew&So YouTube channel. We'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. So till next time, happy sewing!